Welcome to Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to use assertions in Postman to check specific values from a response like name and ID. This is very useful when validating API responses in real time during testing. So let's begin. Create a new and add new HTTP request. Select here get and then enter URL. First enter URL, click on this get request, copy this complete URL and enter here. Click on send. As you can view here, we are getting ID, email, first name and last name. We can verify these values by writing script here. Now write script here. Let JSON data is equal to pm dot response dot json. Now first we need to check response, then we will verify IDs, email, first name and last name. pm dot test id is 1 and then enter function here, round bracket, inside I will write we are expecting ID is equal to 7. pm dot expect JSON data. We are expecting first record ID is equal to 7. So here we will enter data 0 ID dot equal to 7. This is for validating ID. Let's click on send. As you can view here, test result ID is equal to 1. Let's enter wrong ID here. Now test case will be failed. As you can view here, ID is 1 assertion, expected 7 to deplete. Now change here 7. Test case will be passed because our expected and actual result are equal. Passed ID is 1. We have total 1 result here. So you can view here, we write just for validating ID. Now write another test pm dot test, same as well. We can validate ID2 here. pm dot expect JSON data 1 and ID is equal to 8. Add round bracket and we are getting error because we need to have curly bracket. Now click on send. Now we have total 2 assertion here, ID1 and ID2. Same as well, we can validate first name and last name. As you can view here in body section, email, first name and last name. Now validate email, em dot test email is correct and we are expecting email em dot expect JSON data dot data. Email is Michael. You can view here. JSON data in first record, we are expecting email, this email. Now add here bracket, click on send. Here we are getting API, missing API key. We can add this key in a header section. Open Chrome browser, go to this URL and add this API key in a header section. Click on header, enter X API key, and then enter key here. So above from here, click on send. Now you can view here in test result section, email is correct, ID is 1, ID is 2. Let's validate first name and last name. pm dot test first name validate comma function and round bracket here. pm dot expect JSON data dot first name equal to Michael. We are expecting that first name is equal to Michael. Click on send. As you can view here, test result 4 out of 4 has been passed. Let's make changes here. Now test case will be failed because our expected first name is not equal to actual first name. Let's correct again and click on send. First name validate. Let's validate last name. pm dot test last name and enter function here. As you can view here in body section, last name pm dot select JSON data dot last name dot equal to this name. Now click on send. Something wrong because we need to enter bracket here. Let's again click on send. Test result 5 test cases has been passed. ID is equal to 1, ID is equal to 2, email, this is email is correct, first name and validate last name. Now you know how to write simple Postman assertions to check fields like name, first name, last name and email in your API response. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SQ World for more Postman and testing tutorials. See you in the next video.